weekend, it was meant to be spent at the beach of the cabin with my good pal Johnny, the lad with the beard. Fortunately, the weather, when I stopped it out with the weather warnings, and yeah, long story short, no big bike trip this weekend, but I needed to get out for a little ramble, and yeah, just get back on the saddle, as they say. So just gonna do a quick little local thing, just on the road, nothing major. Yeah. Football pitches in Ireland, overlooking Charles Ford. Underway in Kinsale now. Spaniard, an absolutely great pub. If anyone's in the area, we just passed the Bulman a few minutes ago as well. Worth the stroll out, lads. Worth the stroll out. We've been quiet sail this Sunday morning. All the boats in for the winter. There's a few out today, it's fairly calm, so maybe a few hardy people will go out, but absolutely beautiful. James Fort over there, we were just at Charles's Fort a few moments ago, so yeah, very lucky to live so close to such a beautiful village, seaside spot. Another great place for a coffee. A load of the cyclists stop there. You know, when they tried it, the quality hotel. Plenty of buildings still going on here. Maybe if this YouTube lark takes off, we can afford a house like that, or that one over there on the water. Living down here, you can't help but look at all the beautiful houses and the views they have. And, you know, we should pick the little witty lot sometimes, but yeah, I'm just very grateful to live so close to the coast, and it's just a beautiful place. Never get old of seeing this. Never get old. It's Old Head Golf Club. And out by the lighthouse is where the clubhouse is. Absolutely fabulous spot. Incredible golf course. Incredible drinks and incredible food. And I've had some incredible times there with family. Look, it's just so peaceful and so wild at the same time. That this is a bit of a calm day, calm enough for me to probably pop up the drone and have a look. Just out for a Sunday morning spin, only a quick ramble around what kind of local spot. Down the Old Head at the moment. A little bit different plans than what I had initially thought of for this weekend, but yeah, it was just great to get out on the bike. Haven't been out in a while, and my wife kindly let me out for 2 hours or so just to ramble around the place and just get some fresh air in the face, you know yourself guys. But I'm just down the Old Head. It's beautiful. I want to say calm day. It's still windy, but it's calm for the Old Head. And just sitting down at the memorial here, lovely backdrop, and just looking out at Old Head and the views, and seeing one or two, a couple of boats, and seeing the golf course closed up for winter. And yeah, lovely Sunday morning, and really enjoying it.
out, huh? There we go there. Little doggy.